Marian Santos here at potentials.com, signing at our channel. Let's study God's words. So, ang didakin natin today is fellowship. So, yung Bible verse natin is from Matthew 10 verse 7. Go and announce to them that the kingdom of heaven is near. So, yun yung ano ni Jesus sa kanyang mga disciple, for them to spread sa whole Jerusalem, or kung nasan man silang place that time, that the kingdom of heaven is near. So friend, the one who wrote today's story is si Sis Erica Ventura. So ano ba yung story niya in connection with the Bible verse? So sabi niya, he asked his chosen men to do everything he has been doing. So ano ba yan? Healing, di ba? Yung sa mga sick people, yung mga inanuhan ng mga bad spirit, yung mga sinners, unlovable people. Jesus led by example, leadership by fellowship nga. Fellowship ang word, no? So Jesus does not just order, but demonstrated what is the right thing to do. So pinapakita niya, kumbaga, leadership by example, in simple term, leadership by fellowship. So kumbaga, hindi lang niya sinabi, oh, let's heal the sick, yung mga bleeding woman, yung dead children, no? Diba? Yung daughter, yung si Lazarus. Hindi lang niya ito preaching, diba? Talagang, or praying, forgiving. So, siya mismo nakita natin sa New Testament na ginagawa niya what he teach, he demonstrate. So, a right thing to do, like washing of the feet, praying, forgiving, love the unlovable. So, ano ba yung reflection natin today? A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. So, yun nga importante. Hindi lang tayo basta, kumbaga, utos ng utos sa mga people natin. Let us show yung skills na we want them to exhibit or to ma-manifest, tayo mismo, kaya natin gawin. We can also deliver what we are asking them to do, diba? Hindi lang yung basta lang tayo order na sometimes difficult ang orders natin, like prepare a report, do a presentation. So, dapat tayo rin kaya natin yung ina-ask natin. Parang, that's the good leader. So, ano yung prayer natin? Jesus, thank you for being our leader. Thank you for the scripture that is full of accounts of your leadership. Help us to live the lives in obedience to your leadership. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.